So I'm back again. So the kids are going to tell you the bird species that they saw today in in their local language. So leo mmeona vindege gani? Leo mmeona vindege gani? Nana. Nana mkindege gani hicho? Waelo. Okay. Okay, that is I think they're describing the weaver. Yeah, Mlamba. Mlamba is the common dragon.
Luvi.
Luvi.